Good morning, y'all. On today's vlog, we're gonna be doing a little mini maintenance vlog. Ain't gonna be too much now because your girl's still broke. But guess what? We still gonna do what we gotta do. But I just got done getting ready. My appointment is at 10:30, but it's only 9:49, so I'm finna go ahead and head there and try to find a Starbucks on the way because, baby, I'm tired. I just got off work. It seems like every time I make a vlog, I'm always getting off work, but I just got off of work, so I need me some coffee so I can stay up. And I'm going to be getting my hair silk press, deep condition, protein treatment, and my ends clipped. So yeah, we finna be real cute with healthy hair, new beginnings, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go there, be there on time. I already detangled my hair and everything, so that's why I got this little scarf on, this little hoodie on. But yeah, I'm gonna just see y'all when I get there, or when I get to Starbucks, whichever one comes first. Can I get a matcha latte, cinnamon shaken in with 1 pump of espresso? Thank you.
Hop in that motherfucking phone, and that motherfucker be wrong. Big gun, big yeah, shown. Say that this thing they on tone. Look
at the inches.
Oh, it's definitely giving inches.
yeah, she left me on phone. Diamonds that's getting on ice. Run it up, bitch, every rice. Nothing else with the price. Everything come with a price. Everything come with a price. Don't let them tell you my price. Too many bricks, I gon' bite. Get that motherfucking mic. Get that motherfucking hype. So you better don't try. That's when the motherfucking mic. In the lobby and pipe. So they better come bite. So they won't fuck on the pipe. So they gon' click on the pipe. I got this strap like a doc. I got this strap, don't fight. My diamond, they ice, they ice. My diamond, they ice, they.
Y'all, look at my hair. It grew so much. And she didn't even have to cut off that much, y'all. Like I thought. It looked real good. Okay, like, why is you... Thank you. But yeah, it look real good, y'all. I'm gonna come back in 3 months. So I get my ends clipped again. I'm not waiting 2 years no more. Because it could have been longer. But I'm gonna show y'all the back when I get home. But right now, I think I'm gonna get my toes done real quick. Because I don't gotta do nothing until later. So I'm gonna go get my toes done. Just got done with my hair and I feel so cute. So fresh and so clean.
I'm in a talking no Instagram, I'm watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bar, hit the wall like graffiti. Indian birds all up on a nigga wee-wee. I think I need a for some Bella can do GG. It be easy if we're easy. Good.
I just got done getting my toes done and they look so pretty. I need to go to sleep. I am so tired, but I really love how my hair came out and it's so long, y'all. It's not like long as fuck, but it's long. But I'm probably not gonna get my nails done. I'm just gonna get some press-ons because I can't really get my nails done because of my job. So that's not gonna happen. But yeah, when I get to my sister's house, I will see y'all there. But yeah, I love you. But alright, bye y'all.
On the picnics where you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night.
Good morning, y'all. It is 7:39. My last appointment is at 8:30. So, and it's 20 minutes away. So I'm finna just go ahead and head there because I just don't want to be late like I was almost late to my hair appointment yesterday. So that's what we're finna do. I'm finna head there. Probably give me something to eat before I go there. If I got time, but probably not because it's 7:40 right now. And then, yeah, I'm gonna try to record as much as I can when I get there. But and all I got on is this little black hoodie, my boyfriend black hoodie, and some green juicy like loose sweatpants because I ain't want to wear no tights or nothing because I want to be comfortable, and some Crocs on Cause baby, who trying to look cute? And I got my hair wrapped up because baby it's raining outside. It looks real ugly. Yesterday it looked cute, but today it looked real ugly. But yeah, I can't wait to get my lashes done. It's gonna be my first time getting my lashes done in almost 2 years, so I'm a little nervous but excited at the same time. We're gonna see how this go, cause I want to feel cute when I wake up in the morning. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just something about lashes that make you look real good when you wake up in the morning. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and head there now, cause I keep this in here and it's already 7:41. Well, it's 8:02 and I'm only 3 minutes away, so I'm finna go to McDonald's to get me something to eat. I already ordered it, so it should be ready by the time I get there. I'm on time for once, but let me go ahead and go so I get this food because I'm hungry. Yeah. You too.
That's what black folks say. Yeah.
Y'all, I really be feeling old as fuck, y'all. Y'all know when y'all mom used to take you out of school in the morning, they used to be on the radio. My ass be listening to this shit. I'm up here hearing them talk about, in Maryland, 6 construction workers got killed because somebody lost control of their car on the side of the road and killed them in Maryland. I'm like, damn. Like, I'm old for real. Cause I'm listening to the news, baby. But I'm here. She told me let her know when I'm here. It's 8:25, but I'm gonna eat this food real quick. Cause I'm hungry. I think I need bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle. It smells good. That's what I'm finna do. I'm finna go ahead and eat this, and I'm gonna try to record as much as I can up in here. But yeah, I'm gonna be a bad bitch when I come out of here.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that day is the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay?
I'm back, y'all. Got my lashes done. They're really cute. I was falling asleep in there. It felt so comfortable. Her little setup was so comfortable. But yeah, and she moved quick too. I got started at like 8:40 and she got done at 11. I'm about to go home, change, because I think I'm gonna go to this career fair, but I don't have nothing else to do right now besides that, because I don't get my makeup done till tomorrow, and I'm not doing my hair till tomorrow, so that's when y'all gonna see me do actually do my hair and stuff. But yeah, that's what I got done today, and it actually wasn't that bad for real. Well, they so soft too. This is my first time having bomb lashes too, so we're gonna see how this work out. Just see y'all when I get to the house. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, bye.
Hi, Kiki.
Hey, Eli.
What's this? What is this?
Oh, wait. But y'all, I'm finna get my makeup done by my sister. But I'm gonna tag her up in it too, just cause y'all know y'all might want to shop with her when y'all come down here or something. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm finna hurry and get my makeup done and go back home and get my hair done. Y'all, this is the makeup look I'm going for right here, but in green. Can I see it? I said cute the fuck. So yeah, that's how I'm trying to get done, y'all. And last night I went straight to sleep. I ain't even like recording nothing. I just went straight to sleep after I got my lashes done. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get in there. Bye.
I hear the pain in her voice. When we danced underneath the candelabra, she takes the lead. That's when I saw it in her eyes. It's over, and she said, damn, more than she put her hand around my waist. I told her no, she cried, damn, more. I told her run, I can run away, but let me go. My soul is a cry without asking why. I said, damn, oh, somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? I love you. Don't mean I love te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold her hand, I got no choice. Put me out on the beach, dance in the water.
Hey y'all, I'm back home. What's called? All that's done. Now we can do my hair. I'm brushing, so y'all just gonna watch me do it. Let's go ahead and get into it.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. We should cook, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't get trouble. 7 wood, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they're juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I done peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All them social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers.
Thank y'all for watching my channel. This is gonna be the end of the maintenance vlog. I enjoyed, and I hope to see y'all next time. We might not do another maintenance vlog for a minute, and if we is gonna do one, it's gonna be on a budget like me doing myself. But yeah, I feel real cute, y'all. But I'll see y'all later. Bye. Love y'all.